Oh, wow. Good morning. Good morning, Amanda. Good morning, George. Good morning. So somebody's up besides me this morning. Good morning. Good morning, Linda. Surprise, y'all. Good morning. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Shirley. Good morning, Ruby. Good morning, Patsy. Good morning, Deborah. Good morning, LaKenya. Good morning, Henderson. Hey, Deborah, you up, girl? Good morning. Good morning, Miss Berry. Good morning, Misha. Good morning, Christine. Savanya. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, Brenda. Nita. Tanya. Mary. Gloria. Good morning, all. Yeah. I'm up cooking a little breakfast this morning. I know it's early. I wasn't really expecting nobody to be on here. Good morning, Laura, Amanda, DK Perry. Good morning. I wasn't really expecting not a soul to be on here, but I figured you could go back and watch the replay. I'm hungry because I didn't eat. I didn't eat any dinner last night. Y'all, yesterday was a kind of hard day for me. And you know, when you lose a loved one. Good morning, Sally. How are you doing? Good morning, Rosalind, April, Penny. You know, you have good days and bad. Well, yesterday I didn't do anything. It was not a good day for me at all. I didn't even eat dinner, so needless to say, I woke up starving this morning. Absolutely starving this morning. How is everybody doing this morning? Well, as always, I hope this day... Oh, Tanya, this is your first time here? Well, welcome to the channel, Tanya. You'll get some good recipes, some bloopers, and you're among friends and positivity. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Tanisha. So, y'all, yeah, I didn't do anything yesterday. I had a bad day. So I woke up hungry. Good morning, Barbara. Okay, Denise, that's all right. Good morning, Carol. Good morning, Tara. Katrina, good morning. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you. So I'm up to try it another day. Praying that today be better. I had my radio on, listening to the Ricky Smiley morning show. I'm trying to get myself to feeling better because it's classic weekend in Birmingham. Alabama State and Alabama A&M. It's a years of rivalry, but it's all in fun. And we have a really good time. Good morning, Anita, Mary, LaTanya, Pat. So, today is Thursday. It's been classic week all week. And my mother-in-law graduated from A&M. And my son, Trey dad, and my husband both went to Alabama State. So it's kind of a friendly rivalry. When we go to the game, we don't sit together. My husband refused to sit on A&M side. And my mother-in-law refused to sit on ASU side. So what we do, we go to the game together and then we meet up after the game. Good morning, Dorothy, Lisa, Carol. Thank you, Carol. Linda, good morning. Good morning. Dee Dee, Linda. Yeah, I start my day with my Bible too, Linda. Good morning, Jennifer. So y'all, I'm just gonna fix some sausage. My husband is up too, and I asked him did he want a sandwich. I was gonna fix me a sausage and egg sandwich, and of course he wanted one too. Good morning, Shirlene, Lisa. You ready for breakfast? Okay. Good morning, Caroline from Tennessee. Gina, good morning. So y'all, let me I'm moving kind of slow this morning. Let me get my sausage in the skillet. Okay. Good morning, Rhonda, Daryl, Mercedes, Francis. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And I'm just using some Tennessee Fried mild sausage is what I'm using. Good morning, Dorothy. Thank you. Good morning, Tim and Kia. Oh, 28 degrees, Sally. It's cold there, isn't it? Well, I'm praying. At the beginning of the week, it said 20% chance of rain for Saturday. Yesterday, it's gone up to 40%. And it's going to be a little cooler than what I'd like. Byron said last night, I know you're not going to sit out in that game if it gets too cold. No, I'm not. I know one year we went, and I was pretty okay with it until I couldn't feel my feet anymore. And I told him, let's go. Good morning, Emmy, La Portia, Shanika, Minnie, Maria, good morning. I'm just mashing these out, y'all. Smashing the sausage out. Because you know it's going to shrink. Yep. So, good morning, Tanya. Thank you for the stars. Good morning, Barbara, Deborah, Jan. I love Connecticut too, Jan. Good morning, Jamie. Good morning, Brenda Nicole. Good morning, Christine. Good morning, Barbara, Lisa. Yeah, Lisa, that year we went to the game, I sat out there until I couldn't feel my feet. And I had on boots. And my husband's a real football game and loyal to his school. But I think he got a little upset because I told him I was ready to go. But gosh darn, couldn't feel my feet. It was time to go. And he's sitting out there like his sun shining. Okay. Give me a bag to put that in. Y'all, the daylight just not coming up here. Let me see. I think it's just not coming up here. Good morning, Martha. Good morning, Deborah, Christy, Brenda. How long have I been married, Brenda? Well, this is my second marriage, guys. I was married to my children's father 21 years, and I've been in this marriage 23 years. So, and I'll tell anybody, it's easy to get married. Thank you for the stars. Good morning, Vonda, Sandy, Peggy. Thank you for the stars. Yeah, I'll tell anybody, it's easy to get married. But the true tests come in staying married. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I got something I want to show y'all, too. I got 2 gifts I want to show you. I received, they came straight from Amazon, so good morning, Vanita, Vera, Shaka, Yolanda. I don't know who sent them, but it's something I truly need. I thank you, whoever sent me this, because they came from Amazon, and I don't know who sent them. But after I made that pie, the next day I got this pie crust protector. This perfect pie crust. I'll use it for Thanksgiving when I start making pies. But yeah, and so thank you, whoever sent me this. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and it will be used. Now, I got this yesterday, and again, you know, they come with this little thing. It says you can scan to send a thank you note. Well, I did that, but I want to know who sent it. So, but anyway, I got this yesterday, and these are some pot covers. Handle covers, which I really, really need. Thank you for the stars, Gail. Thank you. Good morning, Janie. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, Christine. I got these yesterday, and I so need these. But before I use them, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to personalize them. I'm going to make a little thing, my name, Cooking with Dee or something, to go on here. I'm going to personalize these before I use them. So whoever sent me these, thank you, thank you, thank you. Lisa, I am a good wife. I am a good wife. I'm a good person. And, it's what's funny about it. My first husband realized that now. He realizes that now. But you know what's really crazy? Now we are the best of friends. Who's that sent some stars? Y'all, these comments go by so fast. Thank you for whoever sent me the star. I can't see. Oh, goodness gracious. Gail. Gloria. Thank you for the stars, Gloria. Yeah, now, my first husband and I, we're the best of friends. We see each other a lot because of our son and our grandkids. We have 3 grandkids. The big boy, Trey, he's 21 now, and my 2 darling girls, Riley and Emmy. So we see each other a lot, and we are the best of friends. And my grandson, he and I have talked about it. Asked me why me and his granddaddy, what happened with us. And so I was real honest with him. I was real honest with him about what happened in our relationship. And it just happens. It just happens sometimes. So uh, that's just the way it is. It happens. My first husband and I were high school sweethearts. Then we got married. Not right after high school. Because the first time when he and I got married, I was, because we're both the same age. I was 22. And so it was a learning experience. We both were young. And it was just a learning experience. It went up and down, up and down, up and down. And we rocked on together for 21 years. And I remember when my oldest son, both of us kind of wanted to stay together for the children. We had issues, but when it came to the kids, we were on the same page. So regardless of what our issues were, we did not let that affect our relationship with our children. And it affected our relationship with each other, but now we are healed from that. So we get along good now. And we enjoy our grandchildren together. Good morning, Joanne, Deborah, DeAndrea. Good morning, Gloria. Yeah, so yesterday I wanted to come on and I was going to fix some burgers and I was going to fix some bacon onion jam. I took out everything, y'all, to fix it with, but it just didn't happen. So I'm feeling better today, and I'll come back today and fix it. And I want y'all to give this video a thumbs up and leave comments. And if you care, you know what to do. Don't cost you nothing because you know sharing is caring. And give me some hearts and some thumbs up. And I'm going to tell you something. When y'all press those hearts and those thumbs up, when you do that, that let Facebook know that you actually want to see my videos. Somebody messaged me about notifications yesterday, as a matter of fact. Well, I've said it before. I have nothing to do with the notifications. That is entirely out of my hands. It's Facebook. They send out the notifications. And that's one way that they do. When you do those thumbs up and those hearts, that let them know that you want to see more of my video. So that's the only thing I can tell you about getting your notifications when you do that. Thank you, Gail, for the stars. Good morning, Jane. Good morning, Donna. Good morning, Michelle. Iris, good morning. Peggy, good morning. Good morning. Hey, Hattie. Good morning. What you doing up this early? You feeling better? Good morning, Charles. Good morning, Patty. Deborah. Good morning, Gloria. Thank you for the stars. Good morning, Katrina. Karen. I'm going to put this back here. Turn that up. I want to keep that sausage warm. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Deb. Homestyle Cooking with Miss Deb. Yeah, I'll go over and show Miss Deb some love. Good morning, Wendy. Montisha. Good morning, Miss Walker. I hope I pronounced your name right. Good morning, Francis. Yeah, too late now. Good morning, Miss Lindsay. There's no way I can pronounce your first name. Good morning, Netta. We'll see. Good morning. What y'all got planned for today? Do any of you all live in Birmingham or surround where people come from everywhere for the classic? So it don't matter if you live in Birmingham or not. You had the same coffee mug, Jennifer? These are so old. Let me tell you. I got these, I know 20, maybe about 20 years ago. I got these. The store I got them from, Rich's Department Store, they not even here anymore. But yeah. Good morning, Michelle. Denise. Any of y'all attend the classic? Thank you for the stars, Anita. Good morning, Sharon. Thank you for sharing, Gloria. It's a big thing here. Good morning, Yolanda. Thank you for the stars. Tanisha, I am 70 years old. You must be new because I just had a birthday. Good morning, Lisa, Deborah, Netta, Amy. Oh, you did? Well, good, Betty. Well, you must have hit those bubbles and hearts because when you do that, that let Facebook know you want to see some more of my video. Oh, my goodness, y'all. I want a fried egg, so I'm going to do these one at a time. Good morning, Angela, Lena, Elena, Audrey. I'm 70. Good morning, Stacy, Belinda, Nisha, Mitzi. I'm fixing breakfast. Good morning, Eva, Deborah, Gertrude, Cynthia. Yeah. So, yeah, do any of y'all attend the classic? Good morning, Linda. Well, thank you, Tanisha. My birthday was on the 14th of October. Good morning, Ted. Good morning, Fred Curry, Lisa. Miss Hedge and Annette, message me, and I'll give you my address. I just don't want to put my, it's not that I mind you having my address, but I don't want to just put it out on here. Good morning, Anitra. And that way, I know exactly who I've given my address to. I know exactly who have my address. That's why I won't just put it on here. Good morning, Ted, Matthew, Jennifer. I'm cooking my eggs slow. I just love these brioche buns. Good morning, Leslie. Ava, good morning from Trinidad. Wilson, you from Springville, Massachusetts. Leslie, good morning. Iris, oh, you was born in Birmingham, Iris, so you are familiar with the classic and you know what a big deal it is. Good morning, Ted. Good morning, Glenda. Well, thank you, Glenda. Good morning, Lisa. Well, it is. It's 20 years old. You can't see it, but it's got battle scars on it. Look at there. The one right there. It's 20 years old. Good morning, Dean Hunt. Hello, how are you doing? Good morning, Pat. Good morning, Yolanda. Good morning, Luva from Clanton, Alabama. Ted, good morning. Sadie, good morning. Gwen. Iris, what, let me see. I have family. Oh, these comments making me sick, y'all. Wait a minute, my camera turned around. I have family in the Ham and they attend the Classic. Yes, Iris. Classic is a mighty big deal here. They've had festivities all week. They got Ricky Smiley Morning Show free concert down at the Boutwell. He's doing his morning show from now. That brings back so many memories because I remember the days when I used to be down there. I used to get up at 3 o'clock to be there at 4 o'clock when they open up the doors at about 4:30. I used to be there. When me and my children, man, they look so forward to doing that. Oh man, he makes me so sick doing that. He really makes me sick doing that. My husband takes his lunch to work. And what he doesn't eat, he always brings it back. That aggravates me so because you could throw it away. It don't do nothing but crowd up the refrigerator and I throw it away anyway. I have asked and asked him. Get some mayonnaise. Throw that stuff away. And he won't do it. Tanisha, good morning in Augusta, Georgia. Kathleen, good morning. Sonia. Ted, good morning. Thank you. Whoever said they love my fridge, thank you, because these comments is acting up again. Oh, Linda, oh, thank you. Nancy, you're from Idaho. Olivia, good morning. Bonnie, good morning. Good morning. I wanted me a fried egg. Sometimes do y'all just like y'all egg fried with the crispy edges? That's all I wanted this morning was a fried egg. And that's it. My sandwich. And I'm gonna eat it. Good morning, Bonnie. Mm-mm. And don't you hate when you go to bed without eating and wake up starving? Good morning, MC Eason. Normal. Oh, Norma, you 74. Good morning, Basil. What you doing up? Yeah, that's my real sister, my biological sister on here. Good morning, Leslie. Ted. Well, y'all, here's my sandwich, so I'm going to go sit down and eat it. I'm going to come back with y'all later on today to make my burgers and my onion bacon jam, or yeah, or relish, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to tell you, now this onion bacon jam is so good. If you love onions, and how can you go wrong with bacon and onions? Okay, it is really good. Okay, Deborah, you have a daughter and her husband's coming in. Who was that one sent me a bereavement card? Well, you just message me, sweetheart. Message me, and I will give you my address. The reason I won't I don't have a P.O. box, and I've been thinking about getting one. But the reason I don't put my address out on here is I want to know who has it. Good morning, Linda. Yeah, I don't want to just put my address out here. Good morning, Leslie. I want to know who have my address. And so whoever I give my address to, I write it down so I'll know who have my address. I don't want to just put it out on here, which I don't mind nobody having it because I'm not afraid. I don't live in fear because I know that the Lord will take care of me. But I just want to know who have my address. So that's why I don't put it on here. But guys, I'm fixing to go sit down and eat my sandwich. I love y'all. I pray you all have the most amazing day. And I pray, good morning, Leslie, Linda, Charissa, Norma. I pray that this day have found you at your absolute best. Well, if you're on here watching me, you already been very, very blessed. And so I love y'all. And until a little bit later, love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye, y'all. I'll see y'all in a little while.